Hello and welcome to our All About Us video montage for our channel. I'm your host, Kale, inviting you to join me as I introduce you to our team and channel segments. Now, a little bit about us. We are a veteran and family-owned automotive repair station that first rolled open its doors in the early 1970s. We are pretty much the classic definition of an old mom and pop shop. Most of our videos and reels revolve around our work in the shop. Shop Time and Shop Time Shorts make up the majority of our content, with some helpful tips and tricks for do-it-yourself, as well as show and tell segments of some of our interesting projects.
Alright, today we're doing glow plugs on a 01, I believe, F350. So we're going to start by getting rid of all of this so we can get down to valve cover and get that undone.
Hear me, James?
Nailed it.
All right.
It sucked.
While most of our video content revolves around our customers' vehicles, we also have some special interest segments from time to time. Other small segments of our channel are road trips and adventures and Shop Time Funnies short reels. So like and subscribe to join us for our vehicle maintenance, fixes, aftermarket, special builds, shop shenanigans and funnies, as well as road trip vehicle preparation, destinations, and fabulous footage of our road trip adventures.
Oh, did it get away? Oh, it got away! Oh!